I'm Sally from Natural Spa Supplies. I'm at a friend's house today. My mission is to feed their cat. I'd like to wash the cat bowls first, and so I'm going to show you my super fast way to make up a washing up liquid using Soapnuts. It's really easy to make up a soap nut detergent. All you need is the soap nuts, if you're in a hurry, a jar and warm water. And you don't even have to be precise about measurements. This is just a handful of soap nuts. And then just add your warm water. Put the lid on tight and then give the jar a shake. I'm going to bring a Scrubby into the equation. Every pet owner needs a Scrubby because they are fantastic at removing dried pet food from bowls. So that's the cat's water bowl. And food bowl. I always seem to leave something. Okay. And some detergent. Kitty, hello. Take a lovely clean bowl and fresh water. So soap nuts, we use them for human washing up as well. Loads of other uses, laundry and all sorts of surface cleaning. And the Scrubby, if you get a Scrubby, you'll be able to use it for hundreds of household tasks. And that's all available on our website, which is naturalspasupplies.co.uk. Thanks very much for watching.